Hi, my name's Catherine Almeida. I'm a solicitor at JCP Solicitors in Cardiff. I have been asked by Mentor a Business to provide some information to the Welsh food and drink industry on the coronavirus job retention scheme that has recently been introduced by the government. Today's date is the 5th of April 2020 and it's around 5:30 p.m. This first clip will provide some information on what the scheme is. There should be a link to a second clip where I will go into more detail about the scheme. The coronavirus job retention scheme is in place for a temporary period of 3 months starting from the 1st of March 2020. The government has implemented the scheme to support employers whose operations have been severely affected by the coronavirus pandemic. The purpose is to help them retain their employees and to protect the UK economy. The scheme allows employers to apply for a grant from the government for up to 80% of an employee's wages, subject to a maximum of £2,500 per month. To claim the grant, you must keep the individual on your payroll, but you must ask them to take a period of leave whereby they can provide no work for the organisation. This is known as furlough leave. The individual must be on your payroll as at the 28th of February 2020 to claim a grant in relation to them, and to be clear, the scheme applies to not only employees but others in your organisation who are paid via PAYE. The grant will, in addition to the 80% of wages, cover employers' national insurance contributions and also a minimum automatic enrolment pension contribution on that wage. Please join me for the longer clip if you would like more information and more detail on the job retention scheme. Thank you for listening and take care.